What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. We're here down in Manteca recording a video for one of our clients. Harrison, if you're out there, this video is for you. We're touring this property for you, okay? So let's go ahead and do a 360 tour. Okay, so here's the property. All right, currently it's listed by Remax. Donna is in there, and yeah, so here's the neighborhood. Pretty nice, quiet. Okay, 3-car garage. You kind of see slated roof. Looks like there's a screen door that's needed to be updated and changed. Nothing much, so just give you a quick tour of the exterior and everything. Okay, slated roof. Side yard looked pretty nice. One other thing that I like about this neighborhood is that there's a lot of exterior parking space. So like this space right here, definitely you can open it up and make it a RV parking. It's pretty big right here on this side. So anyways, let's go ahead and tour this property real quick for you guys, so then you guys can see. And it's pretty windy, so anyways, veneer bricks on the exterior. That's nice. All right, so right when you walk in, pretty high ceiling. I believe this is what is it, 13 feet ceiling, Donna? 13 feet ceiling. How high is the ceiling?
Oh, I think it's taller because
No.
seven. I think it's more.
Yeah, so right there, that's about, so that door right there, that's about 9 feet ceiling door. And there's about maybe 4 more. That looks like maybe 5
14.
more.
I think I was
10?
14.
14, oh yeah, so about 14 high ceiling. Okay. And then, here babe, can you grab my phone? And then the business card right there, you can give it to Donna. And then when we walk toward this way, look like there's a couple of stuff over there.
And then they might come tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if, well, I gotta be here. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be here tomorrow from 2 to 4.
Okay.
Pantry.
I'm not sure if they're gonna, somebody else gonna be here. Like today I'm leaving at 2, and then Noel is coming to find out.
Currently, guys, this house is going for $699,000.
For me, but her.
Guys, if you like that type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn how we can help you save $1,000 and $1,000 when it comes to buying. Jump on our calendar. Go to buywithfam.com. We'll love to help you guys out. Okay. There's a bathroom right there. Garage. Okay, so we got the garage right here. Okay, 3-car garage. Really nice. Water heater right here. Seems like it's a pretty new water heater. We have the right here, the gym area. Exterior side of the house. Okay, so this is the side of the house, garage that I was talking about, where you can possibly park, create an RV parking. Pretty nice. Okay. Good sized backyard. Look like it has like an olive tree. All right, is that an olive? Yeah, it's an olive tree. Different type of olive, but it's a nice, beautiful olive tree. Definitely need to clean up the backyard a little bit. House just needs a little cleaning up, but overall, structurally, it's pretty sound. Orange tree, citrus. Irrigation system right there for the plants. Okay, look like this is the plum tree right there. Chicken coop, little tiny chicken. Anyways, good sized backyard. Let's go ahead and check out the inside of the house. Upstairs.
No, it's a case. Oh, with a battery. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we have a room right here. Nice size room. Okay, let's go check out the upstairs real quick.
Well, somebody gonna be from 11 to 1, and me.
Check out the upstairs. Let's get it. Okay, so right when we walk upstairs, looks like we have a loft area right here, a couple of bedrooms right there, and then when we turn this way, we got a couple bedrooms and bathroom right there. Okay. Definitely we can upgrade that in the future. Upgrade the vinyl flooring too. Upgrade this little section right there. Shouldn't be super hard. We got the nice little built-in mirror right here. Okay. A nice little office / bedroom right here. Got the little walk-in closet. Okay, right here on this side. Yep, so we got the little bamboo thing going on right here, which is pretty cool. I like that, bamboo curtain. Let's go over here on this side. We got this little section right here, next to the tree. Also another walk-in closet right here. Okay, on this side. Okay, let's go over here on this side of the house. So we have a master on this side. And then we've got another bedroom right here. Look like this is the baby room. I guess, let's look at the outside area. Yep, nice little garden. So apparently, we're not supposed to call it the master anymore. Primary, that's the keyword that we're supposed to use. Or for marketing purposes. Got the shower. All right. Shower. I mean, the house is just needs deep cleaning in order for it to be move-in ready, and just maintenance work and whatnot. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and wrap it up, guys. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. I think that's pretty much it, guys. We're here down in Manteca, touring this house for one of our clients. If you guys are interested in something like this, let us know. Learn how we can help you save thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. And then, yeah. Oh, also, jump on our calendar if you guys need help with anything. Send us a text. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoy this content. James here with the Fam Real Estate Group. We're going to be signing out. All right, guys. Peace and love. Peace and love.